Did the guy from inside the store, Kmart store, come out and help you up?
Last week on 3 at 3, we had a rodeo roundup.
That's right. We learned how to make rope coasters, hobby horses, and an easy way to make a fabulous Lone Star quilt.
And we talked about the new machines coming soon from Baby Lock.
Oh my gosh, these machines are amazing and you are going to want to know all about them.
So click the links below and get looped in on all the deets.
Also, be sure to catch 3 at 3 live every Monday through Thursday at 3 p.m. Mountain Time on Facebook or YouTube.
Here you go, right here.
This show is at the center of our community of like-minded people, and we talk about everything quilting, sewing, and your creative lifestyle.
Join us for all the fun we have on 3 at 3, where we always have something to make you smile,
Something to learn,
and something to discover. Let's go!